Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if your iPhone hotspot connects but there's no internet. So start by opening your settings and turning on airplane mode, just like so. Now wait about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, turn it off again, just like that. Next, scroll down to personal hotspot. So scroll down to personal hotspot and switch off allow others to join. So just give it another 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, turn it back on, just like so. After that, tap on Wi Fi password and change it to something new. Then save your changes and make sure maximize compatibility is turned on. So scroll down and look for maximize compatibility. And if it's turned off, turn it on, just like that. Now go to your other device and reconnect using the new password. And at this point, your hotspot should be working properly. Now, if it's still not working, go back to settings, then scroll down and tap general, then scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, then tap reset, then choose reset network settings and enter your passcode and click reset network settings one more time. And once done, turn your hotspot back on and try connecting again. And that's it. Thank you for watching.